My name is Koua Fong and I'm from Laos.
I'm Peng Hua and I'm Koua's wife.
After we come back from church, when I take exit, I try to yell and the red light, right? And I try to stop the car, but the car did not stop. So I tried to push on the brake. The car just keep going.
He did yell that, my brake's not working. He yelled it many times.
We got into a car accident. After the accident, they took me to the hospital and I just go home. But later on, I found out that a few people died on the accident. After that, they come to my house, arrest me, and they charge me. I feel in my heart that what is wrong and why they arrest me. I try to avoid the accident.
I thought that maybe they will find out the truth and then we go through the trial and then they found him guilty and then they took him away. So it was like a shock to me and everything changed when that happened. Like it changed my life.
I was brought to Minnesota to represent the family that have passed away. And so the lawyer who brought me up there, as he's explaining the case to me and I'm listening to him, I said, what about the guy in jail? And I went and found his criminal lawyer. And I said, look, this is a real deal. I can bring the experts, I can be your co-pilot, and let's do this. And he said, okay.
We were taking on Toyota for designing a defective Camry that even if you slammed on the brakes, the car would continue to accelerate. You had no way to stop the vehicle. And so it was a guaranteed crash, no matter how hard you slammed on the brakes. They would argue, these drivers believe they are slamming the brakes. But we've conducted our own tests which show they're actually slamming on the accelerator. And there's no defect. This car is not defective.
Bob come to me and we just talk. Normally, we don't talk about the case. We talk about family, how I'm doing. And at the end, he said that, don't worry, I will get you out.
When the judge made the decision in Koua's case, the courtroom was packed. I mean, local TVs had broke away to cover it. The judge started to read from this handwritten yellow pad, her decision. And, it chokes me up today because she said something like, Mr. Lee, a lot of people during your criminal trial let you down, including me. And he's trying to figure out what's going on. And so I got a little yellow stickum like this, and I just wrote, you are free. And I slid it over.
The day that the judge said, you are free and you can go home now, I was like, is it true? Is it I'm still dreaming? Is it, I hope this is not dreaming.
Without Bob, I don't know what will happen to me, but because of Bob, and I'll be able to start my new life and with my wife, my children. I would like to say thank you to Bob for everything, especially bring me back to my children and my family,
Things not gonna be the same for everyone, but I did feel like finally, it's close.
Bob come to me is not just like a lawyer. Bob is my hero, and my brother and my friends. He gave me a lot. And I just want to say thank you.